Hi, I'm Hendren from Rio Grande, and I'm on the tech team. And one of the best things about being on the tech team is I get to work with, play with, test all of these different tools. What we're doing today is we're going to make a video about Foredom micromotors. We're going to try to help you figure out which micromotor is the best for you based on what the micromotor does, what you do, capabilities, all these different things. But one of the best things for me is I get to do an unboxing of every one of these. And this is one of my favorite Foredom micromotors, the K.1053. This micromotor is a micromotor and a hammer handpiece, and it's probably one of the most versatile pieces of equipment you'll ever get. You want to know about it? Keep watching. Okay, here's our Foredom K.1053 with high-speed brushless and brush-style hammer handpiece. Let's unbox this thing. Foredom Electric Company has been around since 1922. That is a long time. And they make amazing equipment. So the first thing I found in this box is the instructions. It has everything you need to know about it. Don't lose those. Box inside of a box. Then we have on the side, our power cord is folded up there. Another box. Another box. Boy, I tell you what, they really know how to package things. So let's see what we have here. Oh, okay, here's our hammer handpiece. And this hammer handpiece is unique because if you use this attachment, you can attach gravers to it. So it'll also work as an engraving machine. So there's our hammer handpiece. What do we have here? This is our micromotor handpiece. Foot pedal. Have a couple of stands for our hand pieces. This is the piece that attaches to the side of the machine so that your hand piece can be cradled there. And this is the micromotor. Look at that. This is our power supply and everything. Perfect. Let's get it set up. Right here on the back, you'll see right here it says foot pedal. There is a dot on this, and it goes in the top so that that properly aligns where you need it. This is our hammer hand, or this is our micromotor. It attaches here in the back where it says motor B, and the way you can tell where it goes, once again, it has a groove here that goes on the top. This goes here, but this one has a screw attachment. So the micromotor has to be screwed, the attachment has to be screwed on in order for it to be ready to use. So there's that. And then our hammer handpiece. This one goes in the front where it says motor A. And once again, that dot indicates that that's the top. Slips in there. And the last thing that we are going to attach will be our power cord. And this goes in the back here. Plugs in right there. There we go. We're all set to go. If you like this information, let us know. If you have questions, contact us. Like and subscribe.